How can I connect and balance the energy flow between the right and left sides of my body? Rolling cloud hands.
Begin in the basic stance. Stand ease. Smile, tongue behind the upper teeth. A line around the vertical axis. Natural like a willow tree. Distribute your weight evenly. Exhale, awaken awareness, soften everything, expand and enjoy. Gently and rhythmically begin shifting your weight from side to side, maintaining an upright poise throughout. Place your right hand palm down at chest level, left hand palm up at the lower center as though you're holding a beach ball. As you shift your weight to the right, your right arm falls to the right side of the body, and the left hand rises and rotates to keep the palms in alignment around the ball. As you shift towards the left hand rises to chest level, palm down, and the right hand moves to the lower center, palm up. And then as you shift to the left hand falls to the left side, and the right hand rises, and the palm turns to maintain the alignment around the ball. Smooth out the corners of the movement so that your hands are describing a lateral figure 8 or infinity symbol. Allow the hands to move like clouds drifting in the sky. Super Chi tip. Just before you shift, soften and release in the hip joint to initiate the movement.